So this is how to fix can't use folder. So when you try to log into your file manager and it says can't use folder when you are trying to access this folder, this is what you have to do. So let's say when you are facing that problem on this file manager, what you have to do is to just try this file manager. When you don't have file manager on your phone, what you have to do is to just scroll down and try to search for Google Play Store. Now tap on the Play Store, and after that, when it opens, wait for it to load, and after loading, tap on the search apps over here. Then what you have to do is to just type in file manager. Just type in file manager, and you're going to see a whole lot of file managers over here. So when you see a whole lot of file managers over here, just look at the downloads and also the reviews that you, let's say if you want this file manager, let's tap on it. It has 100 million downloads, as you can see over here. This is it. So if you want this, what you have to do is to just scroll down a little bit, and you are going to check the rating and review. So when people are saying this, you see, I have been using this great app for over a year, and it's super, and it's superb. The best file manager you will ever get the from the store. Good UR, a good UI with the, you can just tap on it to read more about it. You see, people, when people are saying good things about this app, then it means it's one of the best app that you might like. So you just have to tap on this download over here to download it. So when you get it on your phone, you can also access your folders over here on this file manager. So you can choose any file manager. There are a lot over here on Google Play Store. So that's how to fix it. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in the next one.